As we age, our bodies undergo natural changes that affect metabolism, joint health, digestion, immune function, and overall healing abilities. While aging is inevitable, specific natural herbs can support the body's healing process, reduce inflammation, and promote long-term health. Incorporating healing herbs into your daily routine can boost immunity, enhance digestion, reduce joint pain, and support mental clarity. This can help you feel vibrant and strong well into your 40s, 50s, and beyond. In today's video, we'll uncover the most powerful healing herbs that can help restore balance, improve recovery, and keep your body functioning optimally after 40. Stay until the end, when we'll also share the best ways to incorporate these herbs into your daily routine for maximum benefits. Let's get started. Turmeric is one of the most potent healing herbs, widely known for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immune-boosting properties. It contains curcumin, the active compound responsible for most of its benefits. How turmeric supports healing after 40. Reduces chronic inflammation. As we age, inflammation becomes a leading cause of joint pain, muscle stiffness, and degenerative diseases. Studies show curcumin blocks inflammatory pathways, reducing pain from arthritis, autoimmune disorders, and heart disease. Supports brain function and memory. Curcumin has been linked to increased brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports cognitive function and protects against age-related decline. Aids in joint and muscle recovery. Turmeric helps reduce swelling, stiffness, and discomfort in joints and muscles, whether due to exercise, injuries, or aging. Enhances heart health. Curcumin helps improve blood circulation and lower harmful cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease, a significant concern after 40. Best ways to use turmeric for healing. Turmeric golden milk. Mix turmeric with warm milk, black pepper, and honey for a potent anti-inflammatory drink. Turmeric supplements. Choose curcumin extract with black pepper for better absorption. Turmeric in cooking. Add to soups, curries, and roasted vegetables to enhance flavor and health benefits. Tip: curcumin is poorly absorbed on its own. Combine it with black pepper or healthy fats, like coconut oil, to maximize its effectiveness. Turmeric is one of the best herbs for healing after 40, helping to fight inflammation, protect brain function, and support heart health. Ashwagandha is a powerful adaptogenic herb. It helps the body adapt to stress, balance hormones, and improve resilience. This makes it invaluable for people over 40 who may experience increased anxiety, fatigue, hormonal imbalances, and sleep disturbances. How ashwagandha supports healing after 40. Reduces stress and cortisol levels. Chronic stress leads to fatigue, weight gain, and weakened immunity. Ashwagandha has been shown to lower cortisol, the stress hormone, promoting calmness and mental clarity. Supports thyroid and hormonal balance. As we age, hormonal imbalances can cause fatigue, mood swings, and slow metabolism. Ashwagandha helps regulate thyroid hormones and improve adrenal function. Boosts energy and reduces fatigue. Ashwagandha improves physical and mental stamina by enhancing mitochondrial function, the powerhouse of cells. Promotes restorative sleep. Struggling with insomnia or restless sleep. Ashwagandha helps regulate sleep cycles, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up refreshed. Best ways to use ashwagandha for healing. Ashwagandha tea. Steep ashwagandha root in hot water and drink before bed for relaxation. Ashwagandha supplements. Choose standardized extracts for the best results. Ashwagandha powder. Mix into smoothies or warm milk for a stress-relieving drink. Tip: Ashwagandha works best when taken consistently to balance stress levels and hormones effectively for several weeks. Ashwagandha is a must-have herb after 40. It helps manage stress, improve sleep, and boost overall vitality. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its powerful anti-inflammatory, digestive, and immune-boosting properties. As we age, issues like slower digestion, joint pain, and poor circulation become more common, making ginger a must-have herb for overall healing and wellness. How ginger supports healing after 40. Improves digestion and gut health. Digestive health is essential for nutrient absorption, toxin elimination, and energy production. Ginger helps stimulate digestive enzymes, reducing bloating, acid reflux, and indigestion. Reduces joint and muscle pain. Ginger contains gingerols, natural compounds that reduce inflammation and relieve joint pain. Studies have shown ginger is as effective as some pain relievers for arthritis and muscle soreness. Enhances circulation and heart health. Poor circulation can lead to cold hands and feet, fatigue, and cardiovascular problems. Ginger improves blood flow and reduces blood pressure, lowering the risk of heart disease. Strengthens the immune system. As we age, immune function weakens, making us more susceptible to infections and slow healing. Ginger has antiviral and antibacterial properties, helping fight infections and speed recovery. Best ways to use ginger for healing. Ginger tea: steep fresh ginger slices in hot water, add lemon and honey, and drink to soothe digestion and boost immunity. Ginger in cooking: add ginger to stir-fries, soups, and curries for a delicious flavor and digestive boost. Ginger shots: blend fresh ginger with lemon and turmeric for a concentrated detox and anti-inflammatory drink. Tip: use fresh ginger instead of powder for maximum benefits, as fresh ginger contains more beneficial compounds. Ginger is a powerful natural healer that helps reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and enhance circulation. Adding ginger to your daily routine can promote long-term health and well-being after 40. Holy basil, also known as Tulsi, is one of the most revered adaptogenic herbs in Ayurvedic medicine. It is known for its ability to combat stress, support the immune system, and improve overall resilience. After 40, when stress levels, inflammation, and immune function can decline, holy basil is a natural remedy to restore balance. How holy basil supports healing after 40. Reduces stress and anxiety. Chronic stress can weaken the immune system, disrupt sleep, and accelerate aging. Holy basil helps lower cortisol levels, reducing stress, anxiety, and mental fatigue. Boosts the immune system. Holy basil has antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties, making it an excellent herb for preventing infections and speeding up recovery. Protects against inflammation and oxidative stress. Free radicals cause cell damage and aging. Holy basil contains powerful antioxidants that help neutralize oxidative stress, protecting the body from chronic diseases. Supports heart health and blood sugar balance. Research has shown that holy basil can lower blood sugar levels, reduce cholesterol, and improve blood circulation, making it an excellent herb for heart health and diabetes prevention. Best ways to use holy basil for healing. Tulsi tea: drink holy basil tea daily to reduce stress and enhance immunity. Herbal supplements: capsules containing holy basil extract provide a convenient way to enjoy its benefits. Fresh Tulsi leaves: chewing fresh Tulsi leaves is a traditional remedy for boosting the immune system and improving digestion. Tip: for best results, Use organic holy basil or Tulsi tea blends without additives or artificial flavors. Holy basil is an incredible healing herb that helps reduce stress, boost immunity, and protect against chronic diseases. It is, therefore, a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle after age 40. Milk thistle is best known for its powerful liver-protecting properties. As we age, our liver becomes less efficient at filtering toxins, processing nutrients, and supporting digestion. Milk thistle naturally detoxifies the liver and enhances its function, making it an essential herb for healing and rejuvenation after 40. How milk thistle supports healing after 40. Supports liver detoxification. The active compound in milk thistle, silymarin, helps protect liver cells, repair damage, and enhance detoxification. This is especially important for people exposed to toxins, medications, and processed foods. Reduces inflammation and protects against liver disease. Chronic inflammation in the liver can lead to fatty liver disease and cirrhosis. Milk thistle has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that protect against liver damage. Boosts skin health and anti-aging benefits. A healthy liver improves skin clarity, reduces breakouts, and prevents premature aging by efficiently eliminating toxins from the body. Aids digestion and gut health. Milk thistle helps regulate bile production, improving fat digestion and reducing bloating. It also supports gut microbiome balance, preventing digestive discomfort. Best ways to use milk thistle for healing. Milk thistle tea. Brew milk thistle tea daily for gentle liver detox support. Milk thistle supplements. Choose standardized silymarin extracts for maximum effectiveness. Liver support blends. Many herbal formulations include milk thistle, dandelion root, and turmeric for comprehensive liver health. Tip: milk thistle works best when taken consistently over weeks or months to support long-term liver function. Milk thistle is a powerful herbal ally for liver health. It helps detoxify the body, reduce inflammation, and promote long-term wellness after age 40. Aging brings many changes, but with the proper herbal support, you can stay strong, vibrant, and resilient well into your later years. These 5 powerful herbs, turmeric, ashwagandha, ginger, holy basil, and milk thistle, provide essential healing benefits to keep your body functioning at its best. Quick recap of the best healing herbs after 40. Turmeric reduces inflammation, supports brain function, and improves joint health. Ashwagandha lowers stress, improves sleep, and enhances hormone balance. Ginger supports digestion, circulation, and inflammation reduction. Holy basil, Tulsi, strengthens immunity, reduces stress, and fights oxidative stress. Milk thistle detoxifies the liver, improves digestion, and protects against toxins. Incorporating these herbs into your daily routine can help promote healing, prevent disease, and keep your body youthful and energized after 40. Which of these healing herbs do you already use? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips.